Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Adam. We're so happy you're here today. If you're new here, this is a channel where we help you speak simple, natural English through real-life conversations. We keep it easy, friendly, and fun.
Every week, we bring you practical English lessons that you can use in your daily life, whether you're traveling, working, or just chatting with friends. We've got you covered.
Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. And if you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us grow this community.
All right, let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do, shopping at the grocery store.
Exactly. Whether you're buying milk, bread, vegetables, or even snacks, knowing how to speak English at the grocery store is super important.
This topic will help you feel more confident when you're shopping in English-speaking countries or even when you're ordering groceries online in English.
And here's the best part. You don't need complicated English. Just a few simple phrases can make your shopping experience smooth and stress-free.
We're going to cover 3 main situations: asking for items, comparing prices, and returning products.
So let's learn some simple, useful phrases that you can use every day. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, so when you go to a grocery store, there are 3 main things you might need to do.
First, you ask for items. This means you tell the shopkeeper or staff what you want to buy. Sometimes you can't find something on the shelves, so you need to ask an employee for help.
Second, you compare prices. This means you check which product is cheaper, better quality, or on sale. Smart shoppers always compare before they buy.
And third, sometimes you need to return a product. Maybe it's damaged, expired, or you bought the wrong thing by mistake. It's totally normal, and stores have policies for this.
Don't worry. We'll show you exactly how to handle all 3 situations with simple English sentences and real dialogues.
Let's start with the first situation, asking for items.
Now let's listen to a real conversation. Anna is the customer and I'm the shopkeeper.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for fresh milk. Do you have any?
Yes, we do. How much milk would you like?
I'd like 2 cartons, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I also need a loaf of bread and a dozen eggs.
No problem. Here you are. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
That's $15.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great. So when you're asking for items, you can say, I'm looking for, or do you have?
And the shopkeeper will usually ask, how much would you like, or anything else. These are very common phrases.
If you can't find something, you can also ask, where can I find the bread? Or what aisle is the rice in?
Perfect. Now, let's move to the second situation, comparing prices.
Comparing prices is important because it helps you save money and get the best deal.
Let's see a conversation where someone is comparing prices.
Excuse me, I want to buy olive oil. Which one is cheaper?
This small bottle is $5 and this large bottle is $8.
The large bottle is a better deal, right?
Yes, exactly. You get more oil for less money per liter.
Okay, I'll take the large bottle then.
Good choice.
Oh, and one more question. Is this brand on sale?
Yes, actually. It's 20% off this week.
Wonderful. That's even better. Thank you.
So when you compare, you can ask which one is cheaper or which one is a better deal.
You can also ask, is this on sale or are there any discounts today?
And when you decide, you can say, I'll take this one, or I'll go with the large size.
Smart shopping in English is easy once you know these phrases. Now let's talk about returning products.
Sometimes we buy something and need to return it. Maybe the product is spoiled, broken, or we just changed our minds.
Let's see how to handle this politely and clearly in English.
Hello, I bought this jam yesterday, but when I opened it, it was spoiled.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or would you like to exchange it for a new one?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
No problem. Here's a fresh jar. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
It's okay. Thank you for your help.
So, when you return something, always bring your receipt. Most stores require it.
And you can say, I'd like to return this, or can I get a refund, please?
The staff will usually ask, would you like a refund or an exchange?
You can also explain the problem by saying, this product is damaged, or this is expired.
Being polite and clear makes the process much easier for everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. We'll teach you how to make your own sentences.
Let's start with asking for items. Listen and repeat after me slowly. I'm looking for apples. Do you have bananas? I'd like 2 bottles of water, please.
Good! Now for comparing prices. Repeat these. Which one is cheaper? Is this on sale? I'll take the large one.
Perfect. And now for returning items. Repeat. I'd like to return this. Can I get a refund? This product is damaged.
Excellent. Now try making your own sentence. Think about something you bought recently at the grocery store.
Pause the video for a moment and say it out loud. For example, I bought 2 kilos of rice yesterday. Or, I need to buy milk and bread today.
Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to practice with real people too.
Wow, we covered so much today.
Yes, we learned how to ask for items, compare prices, and return products at the grocery store.
These are skills you'll use again and again in real life. Whether you're shopping for food, clothes, or household items, these phrases work everywhere.
Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become when speaking English in real-life situations.
So, here's your homework. Go to the comments section and write one sentence about grocery shopping. For example, I bought 2 kilos of rice yesterday. Or, I need to buy milk and bread.
We'll read your comments and help you if needed. We love hearing from you and seeing your progress.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, check out our other videos on everyday English topics. We have lessons on ordering food, making phone calls, and much more.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye
and happy learning.